Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2023 Acura MDX. Experience the power, luxury, and superior handling of the MDX. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, navigation system, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, cooled front seat. See for yourself why the MDX is the best-selling third-row luxury SUV of all time. Take a test drive today.